So head on to this website, riff.com. Right now, ensure you create an account and you're logged in. Now you have two options here. I say start with text or start with an image. I'm going to go with the start with an image option. Right now, right here, you're going to see where you asked to input or type in your prompt. So I'm just going to say change the color. Zoom out. Change the color of the jacket to, okay, let me go with the T color and just simply click enter. Right, so it gave us 5 different generations. Yes, and I think it even went a step further by changing the shade color on this, and I think it's cool. Okay, so let's say I want to work on this particular color right here, or this particular image, right? The image you want to, let's say you want to tweak for that, all you need to do is to click the image, and then it's going to okay, highlight the prompt section here. So I'm going to say change the sweater color, right, to match to a color that matches the jacket, right, and hit enter. Now I think this is super cool, right? It gave us another probably 3 or more generations, and I think these images are really amazing. So it has just changed the color of the jacket, right? Let me zoom in. So as you can see, I changed the color of the jacket to something that matches I changed the color of the sweater to something that matches the color of the jacket. I think this is cool, right? So if I want to work on any of these pictures further, once again, okay, I can click the image I want adjusted. So I'm just going to say right here, okay, let's try something. So I'm going to click this particular image right here, and it's going to give us the prompt section right here. So I'm going to say change the color of the jacket to burgundy, and also the sweater to something that matches as well. That's simple, right? So I'm going to click send. Right, so it gave us 4 different generations. Now the prompt says, let's go back a bit. Now the prompt says change the color of the jacket to burgundy and also the sweater to something that matches, and it says, okay, I'll change the color of the jacket to burgundy and the sweater to a complementary color that matches. I mean, so this is what it gave to us, and I think it's super cool. Yes, super cool. These are high quality images, right? So you can just go ahead, and I think it even gave us a deep blue color of this as well. I think this is nice. All right, so you can just okay, if you are satisfied with the generations, I think I like this one. All right, so to download your image, all you need to do is to come right here to where you have this icon to click. You click, and of course the image downloads to your laptop, right? So this is how you can use AI to change the color of any clothing without any complex design skills. All you need is just a few prompts. So if you had value from this video, please like the video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of design tips, tricks, and tutorials every week. So turn on the notifications so you'll be notified by YouTube whenever I post another amazing content like this. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.